Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about estimation of square root of whole number. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now, let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about estimation of square root of whole number. Each square root is between two integers. Name the integers. Explain your answer. So the first square root is the square root of a 55. So what are the two integers that is between square root of 55? So think what are the perfect squares close to 55? Ano yung mga perfect square na close sa 55? So kung iisipin natin yan, ang unang may isip natin is 7 squared. Ang 7 squared is equal to 49 at malapit siya sa 55. So 49 is less than 55. Ang ibang may isip ko dyan, syempre, after ng 7 ay 8. Dahil ang 8 squared ay 64. And 64 is greater than 55. So therefore, square root of 55 is between 7 and 8 because 55 is between 49 and 64. So yung answer dito ay 7 between 7 and 8. Yun yung dalawang integers na malapit sa square root of 55. Okay? Another. Negative square root of 90. So, what are the perfect squares close to 90? Dito, hindi nasa loob yung negative, okay? Dahil ibang usapan kapag nasa loob ang negative. Now, since nasa labas, ang titignan lang natin ay square root of 90. So, ano yung dalawang numbers na malapit sa square root of 90? Ang una kong naisip ay negative 9 squared. Kasi, ang negative 9 squared ay equal to 81. Tama? At 81 is less than 90. Negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81. Ang next thing na naiisip ko is negative 10 squared equals 100. Kasi after nga naman ng 9 is 10. So, we have 100 greater than 90. So, therefore, negative square root of 90 is between negative 9 and negative 10. So, alisin lang natin yung squared because 90 is between 81 and 100. So, yung negative 9 and negative 10 ang mga numbers na pinakamalapit sa square root of 90. Okay, each square root is between two integers. Name the integers, explain your answer. So, ang ating pangatlong example ay square root of 80. So, ano kaya yung mga numbers na perfect square close to 80? Ang una ko naiisip ay 8 squared, which is equal to 64. And 64 is less than 80. Ang pangalawa na isip ko is 9 squared. Dahil ang kasunod ng 8 ay 9. So, meron tayong 9 squared equals 81. 81 is greater than 80. So, square root of 80 is between 8 and 90 because 80 is between 64 and 81. Next, square root, two integers that is between negative square root of 45. So, ano kaya yung dalawang perfect squares close to 45? Ang una ko maiisip ay 6 squared or negative 6 squared because negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. And 36 is less than 45. And syempre, after ng 6, meron tayong 7 squared or negative 7 squared, which is equal to 49. And 49 is greater than 45. So therefore, negative square root of 45 is between negative 6 and negative 7 because 45 is between 36 and 49. Now, let's talk about the principal roots of irrational numbers. If the principal root is an irrational number, the best you can do is to give its estimate value. Estimating is very important for all principal roots. that are not roots of a perfect nth power. Okay, example 1. Estimate the square root of a number nearest to hundreds. So, ang unang given ay square root of 2. So, hanapin natin kung ano ang mga numbers muna na malapit dito. So, think of a perfect square between uh, 2, and that is square root of 1 and square root of 4. Bakit? Because square root of 1 is equal to 1, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, ito yung mga numbers na malapit sa 2, kagaya ng mga sample natin kanina. The value between 1 and 2, since meron tayong dalawang numbers, is 1.x. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung x na yon. So, yun yung hahanapin natin. Okay? So, una, the numbers between the square root of 2 is positive 1 and positive 2. Kasi, square root of 2 is between square root of 1 and square root of 4. So, ito yung mga answer nila. Kapag ni-square root ko ang 1, 1 ang answer. Kapag ang 4, 2 naman. Okay? Now, step 4. Subtract the first perfect square to the radicand of the given. So, ang radicand natin ay 2 minus 1. That's the first perfect square. Subtract the first perfect square from the second perfect. Yung sa denominator naman, i-minus natin yung 4 minus 1. Ang 4, ito yung second perfect square. Ang first perfect square natin ay 1. Tama ba? O, balikan natin. So, meron tayong 1, meron tayong 4, at saka meron tayong 2. Ang sabi sa step 4, isasubtract natin yung first perfect square from the radicand. Ang radicand natin ay 2 sa ating square root of 2. So, 2 minus 1 and 4 minus 1. Divide the difference. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 divided by 3 is 0.33. 0.33 ang answer natin. Ito yung x natin yan. So, i-add natin yung 1 doon sa kanina. Ulitin ko. I-add natin yung 1. Ito yung 1 kanina, right? Meron siyang x. So, i-add natin yung 0.33 at ang makukuha natin is 1.33. Ito yung estimated natin na square root ng square root of 2. Okay? Para maintindihan, let's have another example. We have square root of 38. Anong numbers o anong dalawang integers ang malapit sa 38 or square root of 38? So, may isip ko is square root of 36 and square root of 49. And those are 6 and 7. Nakakasunod ba? Those are 6 and 7. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 49 is 7. Next. So, ang magiging answer natin, since 6 ito, maglalagay tayo ng 6, point x, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung x na yun. Kasi nga, in between. Between siya dito. So, merong isang x dito, hindi natin alam. That's why meron tayong 6.x. Kaya kanina, meron tayong 1 and 4. This is previous example natin. Kaya nalagay natin is 1.x. So, hinahanap natin yung x. First, subtract the radicand, ito yung 38, to the first perfect square, that is 36. And then, subtract the second perfect square to the first perfect square. Ito yun. Okay? So, laging first perfect square yung ating second number. Yung first naman is the radicand, and then sa ibaba, sa denominator is yung second perfect square. Then, pag pinag-minus mo yan, 38 minus 36 is 2, and 49 minus 36 is 13. And then, i-divide mo sila, makukuha mo is 0.15. Yung 0.15 ngayon, ilalagay natin siya dito sa may x na to. That's why, ang answer natin is 6.15. Ito yung estimated value ng square root of 38. Kung sasagutin natin siya, using our calculator, ang possible na makukuha natin sa square root of 38 ay 6.16. So, siya yung pinakamalapit. Okay, 6.15. At kung gagamit ka ng calculator, it is 6.16. So, that's all about our topic for estimation of square root of whole number. With that, thank you very much for listening.